We're glad that you found us, my friend, 'cause most scratched up glass we do mend. You've been told there's no way, but I ask you to stay and watch all our slides to the end. We've done this since I don't know when, yet I hear it again and again. What you do can't be done. You even make it look fun, but we're always proved right in the end. Fix scratch glass, they say. It can't be. For distortion your windows will see. But we prove them all wrong, 'cause we fix all day long, and no distortion we do guarantee. So what kind of glass is repairable? The answer to some is unbearable. Both curved and all flat, the view looking at, just like new, it is very comparable. It seems now many say they can do this, but honestly, no equal there exists. Our tools we invented, making our rivals discontented, because us they do ask to assist. Of who can attest to our skill? Our praises came of their free will. Know the Denver Hyatt? Well, we can't deny it. With our work, they're exquisitely thrilled. Who else might require what we do? Now wait, because there are quite a few. Home builders en masse, glass cleaners, alas, have all to us said, we thank you. We're glad that you stayed, sir or miss. We hope our rhyme did assist this. We hope that you might view the rest of our site and bookmark Unscratch the Surface.